Hello everyone. This is Dr. Kalpana Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Adarsh Mahavidyalaya, Dalgaon. My talk is on influence of substituents on liquid crystalline behavior of biphenyl-based 4-ring Bencourt compounds. Introducing liquid crystals, it's a state of matter having properties between conventional liquid and solid, and it has the properties of liquid like fluidity and properties of solid like birefringence, anisotropic, etc. There are various types of liquid crystals: thermotropic liquid crystals, which are temperature-based liquid crystals, and lyotropic liquid crystals, which are solvent-based. Now, thermotropic liquid crystals are further classified into calamatic liquid crystals, descotic liquid crystals, and band-shaped liquid crystals. Calamatic liquid crystals are rod-shaped in nature, descotic are dish-shaped, and band-shaped are bent in nature. There are two types of band-shaped liquid crystals. One is hockey-shaped and the one is banana-shaped. My work is based on hockey-shaped molecules. The focus on shape is primarily because of the following reasons. Rod-shaped molecules, they tend to stack one on top of the other, but in such a way that lower ordered phases can be observed, like nematic phases. But in Bencourt, because of that kink in the shape, the molecules stack in such a way that highly ordered phases like smectic phases are observed, basically. So the intention of the work is to induce nematic phases, that is lower ordered phases, in band-shaped molecules. This nematic phases is very important in display devices. My work is basically based on biphenyl-based Bencourt liquid crystals, because initially when chemicals were being used in display devices, it was a biphenyl derivative which was used, and so that compound was a rod-shaped molecule. So I intend to introduce biphenyl moiety in a band-shaped molecule to check whether it can be applicable in devices or not. Moreover, biphenyl is photochemically stable. It's stable towards oxidation, and crystal to nematic isotropic phase transitions are very close to room temperature, which is very important parameter for any compound to be used in display devices. This is the synthetic procedure. Basically, it's literature based. I took a substituted aldehyde and then I alkylated it. Further, I took a nitro derivative. I reduced it to amine using palladium charcoal, and then the alkylated aldehyde derivative and amine were condensed to produce the Schiff bases, and then this Schiff base compound was condensed with this biphenyl derivative, cyano-biphenyl derivative, to produce this ester linkage. Using similar procedure, I synthesized a series of compounds where I used cyanobiphenyl, fluorobiphenyl, then chlorobiphenyl. Also, I tried to use laterally substituted central cores. Like here, we can see it's chloro here, it's fluorochloro here, it's fluoro here, and this is chloro here. So different laterally substituted central rings were used to study the structure property relationship. So to ascertain the liquid crystalline behavior, I used two complementary studies: polarizing optical microscopy and differential scanning calorimetry. So as per the polarizing optical microscopy studies, the synthesized compounds were showing nematic phases for the lower homologues, and the higher homologue showed higher ordered phases, and these studies were complemented by differential scanning calorimetry studies as well. Also, I could find that the fluorobiphenyl based 4-ring compounds could exhibit polar phases, in the sense that they showed switching behavior when electric field was applied. When I applied 0 volt, this was the 0 voltage, this was the texture, and when I applied 50 volts, this was the texture, showing that some polar nature is there in the phases. Also, I could find that increased chain length suppressed nematic phases. Also, substitution by fluorine instead of cyano or chlorine could decrease the melting point, which is a very important parameter for any compound to be used in display devices. Also, lateral polar groups attached on the central group suppressed mesomorphism. So this was the very gist of the, the results obtained. Also, the intention of using fluorine in the central core was that it has been found from literature survey that it lowers viscosity, and the fast voltage time response has been recorded for fluorine derivatives. So further studies are still going on. So far, this is what I have observed. Thank you so much for hearing me patiently.